When starting an online business, it really gets confusing which business model to start, especially if you're a beginner. And the main question that arises is, what if this doesn't work? That's why in this video, I'm going to share with you, it's not the same with GoHighLevel SaaS and agency business model. I'll explain why GoHighLevel SaaS come agency business model is the perfect business model for you as a beginner and why you should get started with it. But before we move ahead into the video, if you want to start a SaaS business using GoHighLevel, I have the perfect free course for you that can help you get started and also help you get at least a few clients within 14 days. And you can find the link to the course in the description below. Now let's get ahead with the video. So the number one reason is with GoHighLevel, you can sell an already built software platform. Now if you're not familiar with how online business works, here's the thing. To start an online business, you at least need two things, a product or a service. And here's why you need a product or a service. You might have come across things like creator economy, faceless YouTube channel, becoming a YouTuber, things like that. But let me tell you, if you go that way, there's no guarantee that your content will blow up. And besides that, all the creators that you see making big money are actually making money off selling merchandise, affiliate products, courses, etc. etc. And they have been in this game for a very long time. And we don't want to waste years creating content not knowing whether it will work or not. So what's the secret sauce to make money fast? Here's the simple answer, is to sell your own product and services and leveraging YouTube and other social channels by not being a YouTuber or a creator, but a business owner by attracting clients to our products and services. This is the fastest way to get started and start generating revenue from your online business. And GoHighLevel makes it simple for you as a beginner because you don't have to create your own product from scratch. You just have to white label the platform, rebrand it, and resell it to your customers. The other reason why GoHighLevel SaaS is the perfect business model for you because it's one of the most versatile software in the industry when it comes to CRM software, with almost every possible feature a business would need, which makes it easier to customize the product as per the niche you'll be targeting to sell GoHighLevel to. And here are some examples. Number one, you can target local businesses with GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel was built with the intention to help agencies so that they can not only sell their services but also provide the required support to local businesses when it comes to the software side of the marketing. Before, agencies would have to rely on different third-party softwares for everything, for things like hosting, different software for email marketing, SMS, calls, funnels, and website builders, all these things. But GoHighLevel has made it easier to manage this from one software and one platform, with also the option to white label the platform and sell it as your own and keep all the profits. If you know the features of GoHighLevel, you should know that all its features are perfectly suitable for local businesses. For example, the most common features are reputation management, SMS and email, missed call text back, voice call, voice message, funnels, websites, booking calendars, forms, automations and whatnot. All the perfect features for local businesses in one place. By the way, if you're a local business and don't want the hassle of managing your own software, website hosting and marketing, things like that, you can contact me for all your marketing needs. Alright, the second example. Apart from the local businesses, GoHighLevel can be optimized and perfected for coaches and consultants too. With features like membership, you can create courses and groups, and you already have the email marketing and funnels for all the marketing needs, plus the booking calendar and forms for coaches and consultants. You just have to create a customized automation using the workflow and create a funnel strategy and start selling the software to coaches and consultants. Another example, GoHighLevel can also be tailored for affiliate marketing, and it can be sold to affiliate marketers. If you have a good affiliate marketing strategy, you can create a customized campaign and sell it as a done-for-you solution to affiliate marketers. A few days ago, I came across a Facebook post where a new GoHighLevel SaaS owner shared this case study where he promoted his SaaS software with a done-for-you automation and affiliate strategy, and the conversion was insane. He got more than 300 users within a few days. And apart from that, here's another example. Apart from local businesses and all the other niche that I have gone through in this video, there are also different kind of business owners in the online market space. Those are digital product sellers. You can also target those niche, those who sell digital products like ebooks, templates, and things like that. GoHighLevel can also be perfect for them. Alright, the third reason why GoHighLevel is the best option to start selling as a software is, apart from ability to target any business around the world, GoHighLevel also has an integration feature. You can integrate any tool with GoHighLevel with its advanced API feature if you find anything missing in the features that GoHighLevel provides. And not to mention the GoHighLevel marketplace itself, where you can find different kind of tools that you can easily add to GoHighLevel. And this feature can be beneficial for any business, especially if you're an agency or a SaaS business. Alright, the fourth reason, the option to combine a service with your GoHighLevel SaaS offering. With GoHighLevel, you don't have to just be a SaaS owner. You can also combine your services with it, and which is also the most logical way to sell GoHighLevel SaaS. Because with services, you can make more money with fewer sales. And the final one, you get stability in income with this business model. With most business models, there's no guarantee of recurring revenue. I've talked about this in one of my previous videos where I compared different business models with GoHighLevel SaaS, and you can find the link somewhere here. But with GoHighLevel SaaS, you can build a recurring income in the long run, which increases with time, month after month, because of low churn rate and increase in more customers. So that's it. These are the 5 reasons why I think GoHighLevel is the best business model in 2024 and beyond. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or a pro. And if you're an agency, you should probably get GoHighLevel and start offering it to your customers. And if you're a beginner and wanted to get started with this business, as I mentioned earlier, I have a perfect course for you which can help you get started and get to your first few clients within 14 days.